Good afternoon, this is In My Opinion Crypto, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the multiple Fibonacci trading strategy that I use. So we are going to be using um, different types of Fibonacci on different time frames, and we will be using it at the same time. Let's go first to the monthly chart, and let me show you the Fibonacci levels that we will be needing to use. So magnet on. Okay, let me just show you the fibs that we will be needing to use. Okay, let me open the settings. So these are the Fibonacci levels that we need to use. We need to use the 0, the 1, the 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and the 1.618. Those are the only Fibonacci levels that we need. Now let's go back. Let me just explain it to you. So what we did is we fibbed the previous monthly candle, which is the January candle, to map out the levels that this February candle will be going to. And right now, when we go down to the daily chart, if this daily candle will be able to go up to this 0.5 level of the Fibonacci, that means that this daily candle is halfway through the January monthly candle. So this is the midpoint of the month of January. So this needs to go up here, 98,901, and that would be a signal, a bullish signal for us if this candle will be able to hold on the 0.5 level. So let's go and go back to the monthly chart. Let me just change this color to white, and then go down one time frame lower, and that would be the weekly chart, and we are going to fib the previous week. So from high to low, lock it, and I normally change it to blue for the weekly fib. So where's the 0.5? The 0.5 level of the weekly Fibonacci is 96,428.02, and our daily candle is already above the 0.5 and the 0.618 level of the Fibonacci for the weekly time frame. So if this daily candle will be able to hold above 0.618 or 0.5 of the weekly fib, that is signaling bullish, and we are expecting to target this blue and this white fibs. So the blue is for the top of the weekly fib that we did earlier, and that would be the 98,826 level, and the 0.5, this is the midpoint of the January monthly candle. So this would be the next targets if this daily candle will be able to hold above 0.618 of the weekly fib, 0.5 of the weekly fib, or the 0.382 of the monthly fib. Now, one more fib that we need to apply here is the daily. We're already on the daily chart, and today is February 20, and yesterday was February 19, so we're going to fib that daily candle high to low and change it to red. Now let's go down one time frame lower, and that would be the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see. Let's analyze the daily fib that we just did, the red Fibonacci that you can see here. So you can see that we are already above the 1 of that daily fib. So that means we are higher than the previous daily candle already. So holding, if we will be able to hold above the red, the 1 of the red Fibonacci, that is bullish. Next target would be the 1.618, which is 98,074. And same thing like what I said earlier, hold above the blue fib. Next target would be this 1.618, 98,074. The blue fib, which is the top of the weekly Fibonacci, 98,826. And the white zero fib, which is the zero point 0.5 level of the January monthly candle, 98,901. So basically that's it. That's how you use this. So you will be able to track if it's bullish or bearish, and if we will be needing to do a full pullback. Let's change it to the line chart here. So when I change it to the line chart, I can see that this is the level that we should be breaking. Let me just get a highlighter. Where's the highlighter? Here. This is the level that we shouldn't be breaking. There. Because this is what it did. Wait, let me do that again. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Oops. And let me do this instead. Magnet. So this is the low, and it made a high, a higher low, a higher high because it broke this level, this 0.382 fib, and then a higher low, a higher high again. It's having a hard time breaking the 0.5 level of the weekly Fibonacci, and higher low, and then it broke out. If it's going to make a pullback or a retest, it can retest here at the 0.618 of the weekly fib, or it can go down some more here on the 0.5 level and then bounce. Another scenario would be that we change it to a different color. I change it to red. Okay, let me get that again. So high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and if it does a pullback and the 0.5 level of the weekly fib that we just did won't hold, it might go down here at the 0.382 of the daily or the weekly Fibonacci, and it will do a retest on the 0.5 of the weekly fib, and if it's not going to break, then it's going to be another downtrend. Okay, that's our lesson for today. Hope you learned something. This is, in my opinion, crypto. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.